Welcome to Techlipart channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to type send symbol on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open Microsoft Excel. Now from here open a new document. Now I will show you two methods that you can use to type send symbol. Now for the first method you have to press Alt key and then type 0162 and here it is. If I do it once again, press Alt key and then type 0162 and here it is. Now for the second method, click on insert, then click on symbol and here you can see send symbol. If you cannot see here, then you have to find it from here. Then click on this arrow icon to find it. And here at the bottom you can see send symbol. If you want to type this, just click here, then click on insert, then close the window and here it is. And that is how you can type send symbol on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.